Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Kotcyn. I'm Dennis, and today we're going to continue our series on the Google Antigravity, and we're going to be installing the Google Antigravity Browser with the Chrome extension. But I'm going to give you a little kudos too. I'm going to show you what to do once installed, and you ever delete the browser extension like me. It's called the Kotcyn way. I learn from my mistakes, and that way you don't have to. One time I deleted the browser extension and couldn't find it anywhere because the Google Antigravity has the browser extension. So stick around. We're about to get started. So this browser is a subagent, runs a completely different AI model that is built for one thing, controlling your browser. It clicks, it types, it reads codes, it sees everything. Your videos, your DOM captures, your screenshot. All right, everyone, let's get started. Let's go up here to this playground. You should be in the agent manager. There's a little plus button. If you click it, and right beside it, it says start a new conversation in playground. Let's go in here and type go to antigravity.google. We hit that blue button. Now it's generating, it's thinking about trying to get to the site, it's initiating the navigation task. In a minute, it's going to bring you the setup button on the browser. Okay, everybody, click that blue setup button. Once you get it clicked, the anti-gravity browser will be set up, or the page will come up that says install extension. Go ahead and click that blue button. It'll bring us to this page, and this is where your anti-gravity extension is at. Click the right add to Google to the right, and when you do that and click it, it'll start doing some work around and all that. Then it's going to pop up this little message where it says it needs your input. Go ahead and click that button, and it'll bring you back to the agent manager where you could go ahead and click always allowed. Now let me show you what happened to me. When I deleted it off, I came back into Google's Chrome store and I typed in anti-gravity extent or anti-gravity. You see there's nothing under anti-gravity except for these three things. I typed in anti-gravity browser. Man, I went through a whole bunch of scenarios and it just cannot find it. I come to find out it's hidden by the anti-gravity IDE. So what we need to do is go ahead and try to get it forced into finding it. Just type in find anti-gravity browser extension and click. Then it'll go through its generating and hopefully it'll eventually find it. If not, I'll give you another option to do. Okay, everybody, it found it. It took me a couple times to try to redo it, but I finally got it to find the anti-browser. And as you can tell, it's showing here anti-gravity browser extension Chrome store. Click it, it'll take you straight to it. And just click add extension. And that's it. So if you happen to delete it, you know how to find it. Always like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.